Hey everybody, this is Mitch. Today's project is yet another home storage anomaly I need to fix, and that is the storage of these. This is a roasting stick to cook hot dogs, or in more our case, melt marshmallows to make s'mores around the fire pit. And they've literally just been leaning against the corner and they fall off on the floor and etc. And I need to fix them so that they're actually stored somewhere safe. I looked around, I could not find anything on Maker World that looked like it would work. I printed off one thing and it wouldn't fit. So I decided to make my own. So there's two ways to store these that I've seen. One is you store them with the forks pointing up, and the other one is with the handle pointing up. I think it really kind of matters to you personally. I'm not sure there's a good way or a bad way to do this, but it was easier for me to create a model with the handle because it's rectangular. I don't have to worry about the angle, and that just solved a whole lot of problems. So let's go jump into Fusion and I'll show you what I made.
So here we are in Fusion, and as you can see, this is what I came up with. So basically, it's just a small box. It's 5 mil thick everywhere. It's got a slot for the shafts of the roasting spit, and then that's where you put the handle. So I've got two countersunk screw holes in there ready for the screws, and that's about it. So it kind of goes on the wall like this. Get it right? Yeah, something like that. And like I said, this one is specific for me, so I'm doing 3. But I'll increase and have a version that has 4, which I'm pretty sure is what actually came with a set of 4. If it gets deeper than 4, it probably will be too small as far as just working and not breaking. I just printed this out of PLA, but it seemed to work fine. I mean, you could go to PETG, and that should work fine. But anyway, so I'm sticking with 3 right now, so that's about it. So let's get back to installation.
And here is what we ended up with. So I did 2 iterations of this. I was really proud. I only did one additional prototype. And that one I had a 3 mil thick wall for everything. I decided that was not enough. It was a little bit more flimsy than I liked. Because all this is an open box, as you can see, with a slot at the bottom. And that's it. 2 screw holes, as you saw, to put it on the wall. And everything just fits in like this. And hangs just like that. You need one, just pull it out and you're ready to go. So this is working out excellently. So I have 3 of these. 3 is a very odd number. I think I should have had 4 of these, but I have no idea where the 4th one is. So I built mine to hold 3. I will produce a version for 4 in case that's it. Now, again, this is specific to my situation. There are other vendors out there that have these. These might fit, they might not. But anyway, I'll put this model up on Maker World, and if you got a change that you need to make, then let me know. Maybe I could do it up there. But this worked out excellently. So I'll go inside and hang it on the wall, and that'll be the next thing that we cover.
And as simple as that, we now have a new rack. Fits all 3 of my roasting sticks just fine. It's off the floor. Don't have to worry about that anymore. That's great. Thanks for watching.